Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of the Termux API. So today I'm going to create a simple program that makes use of the Termux API. Take note that this program is not a fully fledged program, but it's a proof of concept program that shows you how you can use Termux inside how to make use of the Termux API inside your scripts. Okay, so let's begin. So in this first video, I'm just going to do I'm just going to show you guys how you can make use of the Termux battery status API. So if we type the command, if we type the command Termux battery status and then we press enter, you see that it returns a JSON. Okay, so anyway, let's create a file called proof. Instead of doing our code here, let's create another session. Okay, so there we are. So we want to create a file. We want to create a file called proof.py, and then when you press enter, there we are. So guys, I finally installed some Termux packages, and what you're looking at is an editor called micro editor. So micro editor is just a terminal editor that tries to make use of some of the modern features that comes with modern editors. Okay, so let's begin coding our script. So let's start by importing packages that we need. So we need sub process is sub, and we also need the JSON package. So we're going to start by defining a function that can call any arbitrary Termux API command, or in other word, we want to create a Termux function which you can use to call any Termux API of your choice. So it's going to be called call Termux API, something like this. And then the first argument is going to be the command, and then like so. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is we want to call sub check output. So what this method does is that it's going to call our arbitrary Termux API command, execute that inside a sub shell, and then it returns the output back to us. Okay, so here should be output. And then the next thing we want to do is we want to return the output back to the caller. Okay, so if our file is not imported, that is, it's being called from a Python script, then we just want to call Termux API with a command called Termux battery status, like so. So there we are, guys, and we want to send output to a variable called out, something like this, and then just want to print the output. So anyway, let's go ahead and save it, and let's go ahead and quit, and then Let's try to execute our file and then proof par, and it doesn't execute. Okay, I've seen where I've made the error, so it should be check output, not output, check output. And then let's save that again and let's exit and let's try to execute it again. And as you can see, the command works as normal. So anyway, I don't want to make my video very long, so in the next tutorial we'll be modifying our program so that it can allow us to extract a particular field from the output of a particular Termux command. Guys, this is Black Generation. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share my channel with your friends. Black Generation signing out.